Okay, so today's project is working on this Airstream here, this International, retailing for $69.9, but it has a broken window, so we're going to be replacing this window. And Snoops here has a little grinder right here, a little grinding wheel on it, and he's been grinding off all the rivets around the edge here. And when you grind, you cannot grind it outwardly because you will nick the aluminum if it slips. So you have to come inward when you do that.
You gotta be careful too. You'll slice yourself like that. See?
Yeah, see.
So you want to hold your fingers kind of away from the blade. It should have a cover on it.
Yeah.
I don't know where the cover went.
Yeah. Okay. You get a little punch and a hammer, and
Sometimes they're hard to see.
yeah, you have to kind of work out where the rivet used to be.
Once you get it started, you'll see the outline. If you don't see an outline, then you're probably hitting in the wrong area.
Yeah, I see.
This one may need to be grinding a little more to get to that.
Yeah.
You can kind of see where it was. All right. Wow. That's bright, ain't it?
It is, Brian.
I think it's right in this area. There it is, right there.
Yep.
You see the outline right there. You can see.
Have a little look right there. Yep.
So we'll put it right in there and we'll try to knock it through. Right there, the outline.
Yeah.
So that won't knock out all the way through, so we'll have to
Yeah.
find another way of getting them completely out.
Probably with a drill.
Yeah.
Drilling that last bit. Sometimes there's another kind of bracket on the other side, so it has to get through a second layer. And the punch sometimes is just not enough. We'll go to part 2 once this is ready to go and we have to do the install.